You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly in French. If you want to learn more French pronunciation, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Tons for you there. Danielle, that's how we say it in France, the French pronunciation. Danielle, Danielle. No stress on any particular syllable in French. In English, Danielle, Danielle, Danielle from French, Danielle. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.